This is a review of my stay at Capsule Transit at Terminal 2 at Kuala Lumpur Airport. If you're wondering if this capsule hotel is worth it during your layover, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, I stayed at Capsule Transit during my layover at Kuala Lumpur Airport. This is at Terminal 2 and Airside, so you don't actually need to go through immigration to get to it. The capsule hotel is really easy to locate and has many options depending on what you need. I booked it for 6 hours, but if you just want to use the shower or store luggage, that's an option too. For 6 hours, it cost 135 ringgit plus an extra 15 ringgit per hour. So it worked out at the time with the current exchange rate at 56 Australian dollars, which I thought was pretty good for 6 hours. Once you check in, you head down a corridor full of capsule rooms. It's quite dimly lit, which makes sense as everyone's probably sleeping. And it was just a short walk until I found my actual capsule room. The room was exactly how I expected it to be, nice and cozy. It was really clean and there wasn't a smell if you're wondering. There was an area to store my luggage, there was also a safe, and a couple of lights around the room. I also found a power point so I could charge all my devices as well. Considering the size of the room, it didn't feel claustrophobic at all. When I checked in, they handed me a bag that had a few extra little bits and pieces in it. There was a towel, a bottle of water, and a little care package with a toothbrush, earplugs, and an eye mask, which I thought was a really great touch. Next, I decided to check out their showers. The showers look like they're cleaned regularly. There was also additional toiletries in here such as body wash, and I was surprised to even find a hairdryer. It was a perfect spot to refresh between two long flights. Then it was time to have a rest before my next 9-hour flight. I am definitely glad I decided to stay at Capsule Transit in between my two long-haul flights. It was a perfect spot to refresh. I thought it was quite affordable, and I would definitely do this again if I was at Terminal 2 at Kuala Lumpur Airport. We hope you enjoyed watching my experience staying at Capsule Transit. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.